Question Quest is useful at the beginning of a new unit or topic to help students express their pre-existing knowledge and interests. The science of learning, elaboration principle tells us that all learning must be built from existing knowledge, and this exercise builds that foundation, priming learning. It also makes for a great connection activity. Follow these steps to run the Question Quest exercise. Step 1. At the start of class, share the topic you'll be covering. Step 2. Ask learners to write down questions they would like answered about the topic. This is a great opportunity to enhance engagement with educational technology tools like Mentimeter, Kahoot, or Padlet. Step 3. Compile the questions and make sure the list is available to students throughout the lesson. Step 4. At the end of the lesson, revisit the list of questions. Highlight which ones were answered during the lesson and review them together. Step 5. If any questions remain unanswered, challenge learners to find the answers as homework before the next class. You can use these questions to start the next class. Question Quest helps students bring existing knowledge about the topic to consciousness, motivates their learning, allows contribution to the curriculum, and gets their questions answered. The only challenge is that it requires a little extra class time. Follow these accessibility considerations to ensure the activity is inclusive and accessible for all learners. Let students know why you're doing this activity and what you expect from their contributions. Provide this in both written and oral format. If possible, share the instructions before class so learners can prepare questions or thoughts to better engage in the material. Clarify expectations around student participation. Ensure students know that they can submit questions anonymously if they prefer. If using EdTech tools, enable anonymous response settings. If displaying questions in class, use a large, high-contrast font that can be seen from the back of the room. Using a slide or posting in DC Connect works well. Question Quest is a simple yet powerful way to activate prior knowledge, spark curiosity, and keep students engaged throughout a lesson. By revisiting their questions, you create a sense of ownership in learning and make connections that stick. Try it in your next class. Visit the CTL if you would like any help implementing active learning strategies.